During the COVID-19 pandemic of 2020, many homeowners found themselves ordering far more packages from online delivery systems than they ever had before. However, as my family often found, we forgot when we had ordered packages and when we hadn't. So when a knock comes at the door, it can often be concerning, especially if someone is home alone. Modern home security systems only address the situation in which someone is already at the door. So I found it necessary to develop a home security system using analog circuitry to detect when someone is approaching the front door so that the homeowner can react accordingly to whether it is a threat or just a simple delivery. To address this, I developed a series of circuits which primarily relied on the 555 timer IC. Now, this looks very complicated, but it's actually quite simple. This circuit takes in a signal, um, which is generated when a laser beam is tripped. And when that signal arrives, it grounds the trigger pin, which is pin number 2 on this pinout, and that is fed into the negative side of a comparator. Now, a comparator is very similar to a seesaw or a teeter-totter, in which if the negative side is lower than the positive input, such as a lighter person being raised up by a heavier person on the other side of a seesaw, then the comparator will output a digital 1 to the flip-flop, which sets this circuit and drives the output high. Now, after an external RC network in step 4 reaches above 2/3 of the supply voltage, it drives a separate comparator and resets the flip-flop, which brings the circuit back to steady state and the alarm will turn off. So, looking at this circuit system from a high level overview, if a person trips this laser beam wire between this laser circuit and this transmitter circuit, then it will transmit a signal inside the house to the final circuit where an alarm sounds for exactly 5 seconds. After this happens, the person can look outside and address whether they are about to receive a package or call the police if necessary. So this is far more useful than modern home security systems.